Hello and welcome to my BenDroneTech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to keep the Powervision powerray underwater drone up and running without registration in the Powervision app. Amazon and eBay are still selling this drone between 1150 and 1499 euros. But on the internet are a lot of videos telling you not to buy it. And that's a very good advice, especially for 1500 euros. Because it's not working if you don't have an older tablet or mobile. And you have to search deep on the internet to find the app without registration that will work. Well, I have good news, it's working. In my video I installed the app on an Android 11 tablet. Just be sure that you put the two downloaded files that were under this video in the download folder on your tablet. And be sure that you have an app installer known as APK, stands for Application Package Installer. I show you now on my tablet how this is gonna work. Now this might work for the powerray, but I don't have one, so I can't test it. Good luck.